Hi, so I know we have a lot of information that I'm sharing with you, and you might feel a little bit overwhelmed, but I want to show you this virtual classroom in your geometry Schoology so that you can start using it if you'd like to. So first, when you log into your Schoology, you'll see it right here. And to make it big, you just click this. Now we have a number line up top. This is the class that you're in. These are different ways that you can solve mathematical problems. It says click on objects and links for helpful information. So if you can click on it, you'll see this is an arrow and you can't click, but when it turns into the thing that looks like a hand, you can click. So Lynn Public Schools, I can click on that and it will bring me here. And it can very easily be translated into different languages if you go down the bottom. So let's say I want it in Spanish. Now it's in Spanish. Okay, same thing with this. It's an interactive glossary. It says it can be translated at the top of the page. This is specific to geometry class. So right now it's in Spanish. It's normally in English, but the same thing you translate right at the top of the page. So let's say I want this in Portuguese instead. There it is. So this is actually going to be very useful to us as we start to learn about different geometric topics this year. Back to my classroom. This is information. This is my email address if you want to message me. These are the 2 courses that I teach. And this is my Google phone number. You may text or leave a message and I will get back to you as soon as possible. This is just if you don't want to use Schoology or you don't feel comfortable using Schoology. If you need tutoring help, you can sign up here through this link. You fill it out, choose a time, and then submit, and I get back to you and schedule that tutoring session. Here we have some math manipulatives. These can be helpful when you're learning different mathematical topics. If I'm going fast, I'm sorry, you can pause and rewatch this. This is, of course, a translator. Most of you have this on your phone already, but you can use it on your computer as well. You can even speak right into it, and it will give you the translation in another language. Here we have a multiplication chart. I hope that we don't need this. I know many of my students that I have this year from last year, you were really good with your multiplication facts. So I hope that you're not using this too much. Then we have a grade 8 reference sheet and a grade 10 reference sheet. These are for the mathematics MCAS exam. Even though you're not in grade 8, some of you might be in grade 10, both of these are useful. You'll use a lot of the information on this throughout the year. A couple more things. This is important computer terms. This is a glossary, and it's in alphabetical order. With the transition to online learning and all of these technology terms, I might say something like discussion forum, and you don't know what that is. So here it's already translated for you with a little bit of a description. And then I think the last thing, again, I hope we don't need this all year long, but here it is if you need it, a calculator. And there's some other math tools up here if you need. All right, I hope that this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.